Today's GLAAACC in the AM seminar workshop is going to focus on real estate. With all of the development going on, we wanted to answer the question about the impact to residential and commercial property. Today's workshop is being hosted by UCLA Extension.
Within a mile and a half of each other, we've got $4 billion worth of work, and that's a lot. The development over at Hollywood Park, which is just a catalyst and a jump off for all the things that are happening in our region.
Invest when fear is at its height. It's true. Individual high net worth individuals like most of you in the room, it's very difficult to buy in the trough. So we need to look at the tea leaves. We need to read the tea leaves. We need to look at the statistics to know when it's best to buy.
When you're looking at commercial real estate, specifically in Inglewood, there's still a lot of opportunity. The barrier to entry is high because you need to come in with 30% down. And so a lot of people just knock it off their target list. Because if you're thinking about $1 million, you're coming in with $300,000. But a lot of us have 401ks, pensions, or groups that we can get together with so that we could possibly buy commercial that's at a lower price point. Because that's truly how you build wealth in this country, is by getting assets that are always going to perform if you manage them correctly.
The barrier to entry is a little bit high, but I think that in the Inglewood area especially, that's one of the things that we really need to be focusing on, and that's getting in the game. Being in it, I see that most of us don't participate at that level. And the commercial market in Inglewood especially is just off the chain. I think that it'll continue on the upward spiral because the demand is just so heavy for real estate in the Inglewood area.
You know, people ask me, when should I buy? Well, I always say when you got the money, or you got someone that's got some money and somebody's got the credit, jump on. It's like a roller coaster. When you see a vacant seat, you get on.
Really try to focus on the business part of real estate, and that will help you read the tea leaves as to what sort of commercial properties you should try to pursue that can bring you value on your investment.
You plan growth around transit. So basically everything that you see that we do will be focused around transit. That project in Hollywood is a block and a half from the Hollywood Vine Red Line Station. This project's a block and a half from Union Station.
The real estate economy is $29 trillion. The U.S. economy is $84 trillion. We have the greatest divide between the upper middle class and lower middle class since 1983. So we have to be on the front line giving information to those who need it, and so we can be a part of this wealth creation movement. It's happening everywhere. So the idea of renting, when renters last year paid $500 billion in rents last year, the idea to buy a home is so important.